Greetings, family, and welcome back to the channel. My name is DrTM. I used to be an asylum applicant. After several years, my asylum application was approved. I am a United States citizen now. I am thrilled to welcome you to Asylum in America, a channel where your most pressing questions about the asylum process, green cards based on asylum, and citizenship based on asylum are answered. Family, I have spent over 12 years navigating the immigration system here in the United States. First, I spent several years battling my asylum case to be approved. Then, I spent several years more to get a green card based on approved asylum. And finally, I spent several years more fighting to obtain United States citizenship based on an approved asylum. I want you to know that I intimately understand the uncertainties and challenges you may face in your asylum journey here in the United States immigration system. The questions you have now are the same questions I used to have on my asylum journey. In each video, I draw from my extensive first-hand asylum-based immigration process experience to provide you with insights and guidance, sharing the knowledge I wish I had when I embarked on this transformative journey. Having received invaluable assistance from other people and lawyers, I am passionate about paying it forward by offering the support and information you need to navigate the asylum process successfully. I am here to provide useful and practical steps to help you with your case. Don't hesitate to reach out to me. Please send me an email or drop your questions in the comments below. Today, I talk about what happens after you complete your asylum interview with an asylum officer. People ask me, DrTM, if I have completed my affirmative asylum interview with an asylum officer. What are the possible outcomes of an affirmative interview? There are many possible outcomes of the asylum interview. These outcomes can happen even if you have been in the US for several years waiting for your decision. Following an affirmative asylum interview, the possible outcomes include 1. Granting asylum. If the asylum officer determines that you meet the criteria for asylum, they may grant you asylum status. This means you will be allowed to remain in the United States and may eventually apply for permanent residency. 2. Referral to immigration court. If the asylum officer does not grant asylum but finds that you have a credible fear of persecution or torture, your case may be referred to an immigration judge for further review in immigration court. 3. Notice to appear, NTA. If the asylum officer believes that you do not have a credible fear of persecution or that your case does not qualify for asylum, you may receive a notice to appear, NTA, initiating removal proceedings in immigration court. This is the most common outcome. It happened to me. I was given a notice to appear, and the government started deportation proceedings. When this happened, I quickly realized that if I didn't use a lawyer, my case would be dismissed even though I had a strong case. If I had used a lawyer at the affirmative stage, I think I would have been granted asylum. I didn't. I thought I was clever and knew it all. That was a mistake. I recommend that you use a lawyer if can at all stages of the asylum process. 4. Administrative closure or dismissal. In some cases, the asylum officer may administratively close or dismiss the case. This can happen for various reasons, such as changes in circumstances or lack of jurisdiction. This happened to me. My first case was closed because I had moved to another state and didn't respond to USCIS messages. 5. Request for additional documentation. The asylum officer may request additional documentation or evidence before making a decision. In such cases, it's crucial to provide the requested information in a timely manner. It's important to note that outcomes can vary based on the individual circumstances of each case. If you are granted asylum, you will have the right to remain in the United States and may eventually apply for lawful permanent residency. If your case is referred to immigration court, you will have the opportunity to present your case before an immigration judge. It's highly recommended to consult with an immigration attorney who can provide personalized advice based on the specifics of your situation and guide you through the asylum process. Family, navigating the asylum process in America is very difficult and can be frustrating sometimes. In my whole life, some of the most difficult days of my life happened when I was navigating the asylum system. I lost everything while waiting for my case to be processed. So, believe me when I say that I understand how you feel. Disclaimer: family, remember that I only provide this information to help you. This is not legal advice. I recommend that you consult with a lawyer if you want legal advice for your asylum case, or green card based on an asylum case, or citizenship application case based on approved asylum. Thank you for watching this week's episode. I hope the insights shared in this video have enhanced your understanding of the asylum process here in the United States. Do you have questions about the asylum process? Do you have questions about green cards based on approved asylum? Do you have questions about the citizenship process based on asylum? Or have you recently received asylum and you have advice to share? I encourage you to email me or share your comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you for watching, family. I wish you the best on your immigration journey. See you next time.